Camtasia Studio 2022 glow effect. How you can add glow effect to your video. Okay, so now without further ado, let's jump right into the video. I will walk you through the entire process. So now okay, grab your video and drag it in the timeline. Have a one with green screen, so I'd like to actually remove the green screen. So let me remove the green screen, only a couple of seconds. Alright. And I want to add the glow effect to this character, okay? Dancing, having a good time. So what you can do, guys, to add a very interesting glow effect is to simply go in tab on more, and here you'll see visual effects. If you don't see here visual effects, just tab on more and now go to visual effects, and here you need to look for glow, guys. Okay, see, we have glow, and now just grab this effect, this glow effect, and drag it onto this video. Okay, and as you can see, if the mouse is hovering over this video, and as you can see, we have the effect here. You can even you don't have to drag it over the video necessarily. You can even drag it over the camera here, and it works. And now we have the glow effect, as you can see. Now I'm sorry, that's the remove color. So here we have the glow. This is normal without any effect. And here we have intensity, normal, radius. Okay, and so that's in essence, that's how you add a glow effect in Camtasia Studio in 2022. You just need to grab this effect, and so you just need to grab, guys, this effect, and grab this effect and put it on your video. And that's it, guys. I hope this video helped you. If you did, drop a like and subscribe for more video, guys.